Vikram S rocket launch live updates. India's first private rocket blasts off successfully. Vikram S is a single-stage fuel rocket meant to test most systems and processes in Skyroot Aerospace's project ahead of the launch of Vikram 1 scheduled for next year. Skyroot Aerospace, an Indian space tech startup, has launched its first rocket into space at 11:30 a.m. The Vikram S rocket, the first of the Vikram series, took off from the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, launch pad in Sriharikota. This is the first private rocket launch taking place in India. Vikram S is a single-stage fuel rocket meant to test most systems and processes in Skyroot Aerospace's project ahead of the launch of Vikram 1 scheduled for next year. The launch today is also a suborbital one, meaning the vehicle will reach outer space. It will not remain in orbit around the Earth, with the flight time being less than 5 minutes.